My name is Shafia Ukwa binti Amiruddin. My matrix ID is 2025415088.
Hello, my name is Nur Marisa Adrana binti Harinizam. My ID is 2025884114.
My name is Numraira binti Sohaije. My ID is 2025217974.
Hello, I'm Melissa. I will be solving part E, question 1. For this question, I'm going to solve from 2060 to 2080. So we're going to use SSP formula. So I'm going to insert what we have got and listed. So 7 plus K0.06 divided by M6 bracket 662, and the answer is going to be 88451.1. Next, we're going to get from answer from 2080 to 2090. Okay, so you're going to use the same formula as P. Use this, insert S 841E bracket plus K0.08. I'm gonna insert the knees for 1.5. So the answer is gonna be 9517.41. That's for how much is the rate going, the amount calculated to 29.
To answer question 2, part A, so I have chalked out the formula and also the calculation. So we know that we have to put down the 58,000, and the K1 is actually for alpha bank, K2 is for omega, and what is for alpha, and 12 is for omega. The answer is for alpha is 66,208 cents. Omega is 66,366 and 37 cents. We choose Omega Bank because Omega Bank offers more than Alpha Bank. Also, Omega Bank compounded monthly. That Omega Bank gives more amount than Alpha Bank. For part B, we know that Mr. Daniel withdrew 50,000 after 4 years, and also the rate remains the same. So we're going to use the same formula and write down the same amount that he wants to invest, same compounded amount. Then we get the answer for 69415 and 33 cents. So after that, we're going to minus it with 50,000, and then we get the amount for 54415.33 cents. After that, we're going to do for the next 3 years, which is that we're gonna, so that is actually 6 minus 4, so we get the answer for 2. We're gonna do the same formula and write down the amount we got for the balance, which is the same, and then we're gonna write for 2 years because we just it's remaining years, and then we get the final answer, which is 59529 and 72 cents.
Okay, now let's move on to part B, question 1. A local university is planning to launch a scholarship initiative to support high achieving students for the next 10 years. To ensure the sustainability of this program, the university plans to deposit a sum of money into an investment fund that will finance the scholarship payouts. The funds will earn interest at 3.8% per annum, compounded half yearly. How much money is required for the university to deposit now so that the fund can provide scholarship payments of 5,500 every 6 months for the next 10 years? First thing first, we need to take all the given information from the question, which is T is equal to 10 years, M is equal to 2 because it does say compounded half yearly, K 3.8%, and R is 5,500. Why? Because it does say every 6 months. So what are we looking for? We are looking for an A because it says deposit now, so that means it is present value. So for A is A equal to R. We just substitute all the given information plus calculate will be RM 90,806.83. B. The bursary department of the university, however, prefers to accumulate the required amount in A gradually. So whenever they say accumulate, it means it is future value, which is S. So S is equal to 90,806.83 because they say the required amount in A gradually. Okay, they plan to build the scholarship fund over the next 4 years. So T is 4, making equal monthly deposit. If the investment account earn 2.5% per annum, okay, so K is 2.5% compounded monthly. So M equal to 12. How much money must be deposited at the end of each month to reach the required amount? Looking for R. Why? Because they have mentioned that at the end of each month, formula which is S equal to R, and then in bracket 0 plus K, empty, substitute in this, so R is 90. The answer will be RM 1,800.76. So this is the answer for B.
Part B, question 2. So, as you can see, I list the price of PC and what immediately the backs. So then we're gonna solve the monthly estimate. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna use SR formula. S, as we know, right now what we own is 20,855 equals for R, and we're gonna insert all of it what we have listed. So 1 divided by 12. Okay. So then the answer for R is going to get is 406.67. After that, we're going to search for interest. We use this formula and we can insert what we got else. 12.5 R A. And the answer for it is going to get 3715.20. That's all for A. For question B, so I already run this because it's more simple. So as as we know, 2 and any, this one, this and this, I'm gonna take it to divide it. When we divided it, we're gonna get this answer. After that, we're gonna multiply it with this one, kms, and then equal to this. How I got this is I'm gonna solve this equation first. When you solve this equation, then you're gonna get this answer. After that, just solve the question, this question first. After that, you're gonna get this answer. While that, you're gonna take -1 to the other side. And you bring to the other side, it's gonna turn to +1 equal to the answer we got here. And then we can change it to ends, as we're gonna search for n, to log. So log, say 1.039744129 divided it log 1.005858333, and the answer for ends is gonna be 7.00. So it's as 7 monthly payment that has missed. That's all. Okay.